Ladies and gentlemen, following the vibrant dances celebrating flora and fauna, the choir now presents the Symphony of Harmony.
Through their song, they will reveal the unity and balance of nature, reminding us how all life is beautifully connected.
Let us enjoy this musical tribute to nature's harmony. So, welcome the choir with a resounding round of applause.
The earth awakens with a tender sigh, a soft murmur flowing through rivers and rain. In the hush of dawn, the forest inhales the scent of life, fresh, pure, eternal. The lion roars, proud and bold, his voice rolling like thunder across the plains. The deer leaps through shafts of morning light, a living poem of freedom and grace. High above, the eagle glides, painting courage across the sky's wide heart. Beneath the song, the rivers hum a lullaby, wrapping the world in calm. Each wave, each leaf, each fluttering wing, part of one living rhythm. Together, they compose the melody of existence, the golden hymn of harmony. But as seasons turn, shadows creep in, forests go quieter. The tiger's proud path narrows between man's growing walls. The polar bear drifts on fragile ice, searching for the echo of safety. Coral reefs weep in silence as colors fade beneath the sea. The owl hoots in empty forests. The songbird's tune quivers with fear. The melody softens, and the world holds its breath. Yet, even in sorrow, hope stirs, small, steady, and shining. Deep in the earth, seeds dream beneath the soil. When the rain touches them, they rise again, green with promise. The winds return, carrying whispers of renewal. Flowers bloom like soft candles of color. Oceans hum with the voices of whales and the laughter of dolphins. The mountains echo with strength. The valleys shimmer with peace. Trees stretch their arms towards the sky, leaves dancing to the rhythm of rebirth. Every creature, great and small, lifts its heart to sing once more. The earth's pulse quickens, her spirit grows bright again. The deer leaps, the tiger prowls, the eagle soars, all in one grand symphony of life. This is the song of harmony, a song that belongs to all of us. It speaks of love beyond boundaries, of unity beyond difference. When we protect nature, we protect ourselves. When the earth sings, humanity finds its voice. Together, we are the music, the rhythm, and the breath of life itself. The world dances once more, in one eternal rhythm, one melody divine, the everlasting song of harmony.
The children of earth rise to protect their home. With gentle hands, they nurture seeds of hope. Each tree they plant, each river they clean, becomes a promise whispered to tomorrow. Their laughter ripples through the skies, reminding the world that care can heal and love can grow. The earth listens and smiles once more. Across the lands, life blooms again. Flowers smile beneath the sun. Rivers sing their silver songs, and forests hum softly as new leaves unfold. Dear audience, a warm round of applause for the choir.
Forests breathe the lungs of green, where every leaf holds what's unseen. In whispers soft, the wilds confess, we are the world in tenderness. Sing, oh sing the song of life, of breeze, great and small, mountain peaks to ocean's light. The earth unites us all, for beating hearts in far and fair. In paddle branch and sea, the world's own soul is deep within. The song of harmony. They shrink in lands, the polar bear walks melting sands, the coral reefs make colors lost, the songbird counts the growing cost. Within the seals, the flowers keep the promise wakes from nature's sleep. For hopeful bloom, where hearts in turn, the light that yearns to never end. Beneath the wind, the whales still sing, their voices crown the ocean king. But dolphins dance in twilight blue, and stars above reflect their hue. The trees reach up in arms of grace, the flowers smile, the sun's embrace, and in between the wild things go. We're part of one, we're part of all. Sing, oh sing the song of life, of queens and great and small. The earth's a heart that beats in time to one eternal call. Oh, every soul from root to wind, from mountain, sky and sea, let love be what the ages bring. The song of harmony. The wind, it hums the tune of life beneath the sun and moon. In every breath, the earth still sighs. We live as one, the song survives.
The echoes of their melody reminds us that harmony isn't just sung, it's lived. And if we promise to care for our endangered friends and protect our big and beautiful home, the song of life will never end.